Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. If you guys don't know who I am, I run the Sell More Auto Glass program under the Auto Marketing Pros and the Head Start digital marketing companies. Now, look guys, this is a new program. I'm reaching out to you. I want you to be a member, right? I want you to join this program and see for yourself how much potential, the potential your company has, how much value it brings to you, and what a done for you marketing program looks like at an affordable price. If you can eat a burger every day, right, you can afford this. So if you want your company to double your leads, right, if you want to double your sales in the next 3-6 months, this is for you, right? But you're going to have to sacrifice that burger every single day. So I want you to test it out. So I just want to go over these numbers real quick. Every single month, there's 50,000 people searching for auto glass every single day. Now, that's just one keyword. Auto glass isn't the dominant keyword in the industry. No, it's going to be windshield repair, windshield replacement, car glass repair. Those are the kind of keywords people are searching for. You need to think about your customers. You don't, not about the industry. So when you as a business owner are building your marketing campaigns, you need to think about what are your customers looking for to find your business, right? They're looking at windshield repair, windshield replacement. Now, in variations of this keyword, there are almost 70,000 right nationally. That brings about 1.2 million people searching for auto glass services every single month, right? Using this keyword. That's incredible, right? That's a lot. Now, in total related keywords, there are 1.5 million people every single month looking for auto glass services as well. That's the search volume. Let's see what happens when we do windshield replacement. Now, windshield replacement, again, every single month, 165,000 people searching for windshield replacement. Total volume, 1.6 million, right? And related keywords, total volume, right? There's 612,000 in keyword variations. That's a ton of people. So if you think that your local market doesn't have any people looking for your service, you're wrong. Every city has about 5 to 20,000 people searching for some kind of auto glass service, windshield repair, windshield replacement. It just depends on the time, the market. We look at the trends. We give you all the tools to give your business a chance of success, right? A chance of success into growing into 2021. So if you haven't already, ask for our guide, the 2021 Auto Glass Marketing Guide. It's so big. We got 2 of them. We have the PDF version. We give you that download, no problem. The actual presentation is 60 slides packed with information, data, details. What kind of website do you need? What kind of tools do you need on your website? What kind of SEO do you need for your business? What kind of keywords to target? We have 30,000 keywords in our database that we provide to you free, right? We just give it out. So you know what kind of keywords to choose from depending on your local market. We also tell you what kind of advertising to do, whether you need Facebook or Google, right? Google advertising is really cheap for auto glass. How to increase your conversions another 20 to 40%, so that every 10 calls, you get 4 customers at least, right? At least using just our program. And then we tell you how to do call tracking, how to do email, text campaigns, so that you can set appointments. You can charge online through our tools. It's a full program. So I'm inviting you to take a look at it, or you can look at our Auto Glass website over here at headstartdigital/autoglass SEO. So you can get an understanding of what we do, and then you can book a time with us, a 30-minute strategy session, so that you can get on a call with me, and we can discuss what kind of issues your business is having and how we can deliver solutions to those issues so that you can continue growing into the future. So let's future-proof your business, guys. Internet marketing is the way to go. There are people out there looking for you. Thank you so much for your time. If you got any questions, feel free to ask me. I'm just reaching out, providing value, trying to help out. So thank you, and hope to hear back from you soon.